Hello everyone. So this is an apartment unit in the basement. There's actually two. This is a full house and a living area on the top. I'll post a picture of that second unit in the basement in a day or two. So those are 24 by 24 inch tiles on the floor and 24 by 48 inch tiles on the walls. As you can see, there's titanium tile edge. And I wanted to use chrome, but the owner wanted to use titanium. And there's a 45 on the corner. It's actually really nice, guys. I'm going to post that other video, and you'll see the apartment unit. It's very small, but it's really beautiful. Imagine having a bathroom like that in an apartment unit. It's a treat. Okay, so just give me a second and we'll get to the other part that I tiled. This is a mechanical room. And you see those those are two traps, by the way, in the floor. And there's a cover plate that they'll put on there afterwards. It looks like they're still working down here. And there is another mechanical room on the other side of the unit. So I'll post that, like I said, very shortly. And there's your bathroom right next door. I hope they fixed that toilet seat, by the way. It's bothering me. It's a little crooked. So this is the 2-bedroom unit, or you could have like 1 bedroom and an office. It's perfect for a couple or for single. And there's your kitchen. Please come on back, guys. Thank you.